Hi, this is Dr. Fields here at Integrative Medicine US, and your name is?
Luis Chinea,
Luis. What did you come here for in the first place?
for problems with my back.
Okay, you're back, and then we found out that you also had numbness in your feet, some neuropathy.
Actually, I told you I have problems with my legs,
Mm-hmm.
and you started treating my legs. I didn't know it was going to help with my neuropathy.
So the neuropathy, how bad were the feet?
How about was?
How bad were the feet?
Bad. I couldn't feel the feet or the fingers.
So the feet were and the toes.
The toes.
They were completely numb?
They're completely numb.
Okay, and you told me that was affecting your balance as well,
Yes,
correct?
correct.
Okay, so we've been treating you for a little bit now, and how is the back?
The back is much better.
Okay, and what about the feet?
Great. I would say 60% better.
So we've had a 60% return of feeling and sensation back to the feet.
Correct.
Is it your balance improving? Are you walking better?
Yes.
That is amazing. So
Yes.
how does that feel to be able to walk around with less pain and actually start feeling your feet again?
It feels great.
Which is fantastic because neuropathy is normally a progressive condition that only gets worse and worse.
I know.
So I'm glad we were able to have an intervention for you and start to get some improvement. And I hope you continue to get better. Luis, is it okay if we use this for research and for promotional purposes?
Of course.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing your story. I hope you continue to get better and better.
Thank you.
And hopefully we can help some more of you all out there too.
Thanks to you.